Hi, my beading family. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wristlet using a 10-inch wire cable. There's my cable down here. You can see it is just a little over 10 inches. They consider them 10 inches. I am going to add a wood keychain charm to our wristlet. You can get these on our website, rawcuts.com. I'm going to use key ring with the big clasp. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach this now. I've already attached, I want to say, a 4mm split ring onto the charm. There we go. Don't mind him. So what I'm going to do, you see there are two sides to this. There's the side that you screw over the end. This side has the screw, I don't know what they're called. The ridges. So I'm going to make sure this slides back and forth and make sure it's on the side that does not have any of the screw things on it. I'm going to push that all the way to the end. I'm going to start with this bead because I want this end of it to be in here and hidden. So I'm going to put it on this side. And I found that silicone beads, these are all 15mm silicone beads, other than our focal. So I'm just going to push that down until it gets to there. Then I'm just going to start adding all of our beads. They are a little tight, but silicone stretches so it goes right over it. Let's see. I am using 17 15mm silicone beads and one focal on this. So I am going to put my focal. When we get to the end, that's the most difficult part. So let's just keep going. You gotta start holding it so that you don't lose your wire and your beads. So I'm going to take my needle nose. I'm gonna push these all the way down as far as I can. Start adding them. Get another pair of pliers. I'm gonna hold that end of it. I'm just gonna push. See, you can squish them. Silicone squishes. So I'm gonna take this end. I know it's not inside the ball, but we're gonna take it. Well, first we're gonna put this on. Slip it on there. Then we're gonna go, you can just spin it with the bead until it goes in. It does go in quite far, which is nice. I do usually put a little bit of glue in there, that way it doesn't ever come off. And then you can just push your beads over it and you don't see it. And here you have your cute little keychain. And that's it. Pretty simple. Thank you for watching.